Hello YouTube, fellow viewers, subscribers and friends, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna be upgrading the shock towers on my Laegendary Thunder. This also works in FTX Carnage. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you the process and how to do it. First you remove the wheelie bar. For that you have 4 screws here. Then you have these 2 here at the back, so you can remove this. Now we'll remove this bracket from here. But still, I'm gonna put them in their places. It's the best practice, so we don't have worries later. Now we'll have to remove the shocks. So one here and one there. Now you'll have to take these ones from the camber arms, one on each side. Next is to this one here at the rear. And now there are 2 more here, there and there. These are the last ones, and the shock tower is out. As you see, I'm gonna put the screws in their places. Alright, now I'm gonna remove the body mounts. Now you are going for the shock tower. It slides in like so. Now is one screw here and the other one there. See? Now I'm gonna attach the shocks. It's these longer screws. I chose these aluminum shock towers instead of the carbon ones just because of this standoff for the shocks. The carbon one, it's not exactly the same as the stock one, so I prefer this one. Now the camber one, on the top hole. Now it's these screws here, the top ones. Now we put this piece from the wheelie bar. Down. I'm gonna put wheelie bar. Now these rear ones. Wheelie bar done. Now it's just the body post. So for the front, we don't need to remove the bumper, we only need to remove this screw here, one on each side. You remove them, now you can push this down and can remove one screw on each side. And now we're gonna remove the shocks. Now we have to remove the camber arms. It's easier not to remove them from here. Now have to remove these 4 screws here. Now the shock tower, you push it to the front, slide it to the front to remove it. Now I will remove the camber arm. So let's mount this. Slide it back. I'm gonna attach the shocks. Finished product. I think it looks awesome.